Have you wondered if your trustee is required to provide you with a copy of the trust? Are you unsure what to do if they refuse to provide you with a copy of the trust? Hi, I'm California Trust Litigation Attorney Scott Grossman, and by the end of this video, you will know if your trustee is required to provide you with a copy of the trust and what you can do if they refuse to provide you with that copy. California trust law says that a trustee is required to provide a copy of the trust to any beneficiary who requests a copy of the trust and to any heir of the deceased settlor who requests a copy of the trust. The trustee must provide a copy of the terms of the trust when a revocable trust or a portion of a revocable trust becomes irrevocable due to the death of the settlor. This is the most common scenario. Your mother, your father, or both created a trust that says it's revocable. If there was only one settlor, then when they died, the trust by its terms became irrevocable. If the two of them together created a trust, and what they have is called an AB trust, then when the first of your parents passed away, part of the trust became irrevocable. Under either of those scenarios, you're entitled to a copy of the irrevocable terms of the trust just by asking for it. 2. A power of appointment is effective or lapses upon the death of the settlor of an irrevocable trust that was created during the settlor's life. Powers of appointment are typically used with irrevocable trusts, and irrevocable trusts are often created for specific purposes like estate tax planning or Medi-Cal planning. When the power of appointment is triggered, or if it lapses because of the death of the settlor, then you're entitled to a copy of the terms of the trust. 3. By the express terms of the trust becomes irrevocable within 1 year of the death of the settlor due to the death of the settlor. Most trusts have a clause that say they become irrevocable upon the death of the settlor. Of course, the death of the settlor is within 1 year of the death of the settlor, so if you have that clause in your trust, you're entitled to a copy of the terms of the trust. 4. Any beneficiary requests it when there's been a change of trustee of an irrevocable trust. Any change in the trustee of an irrevocable trust entitles you to a copy of the terms of the trust. This usually happens after a settlor's death when a trustee resigns, is removed, or dies. Finally, in this situation, what do you do if the trustee won't give you a copy of the trust? You know you're a beneficiary of a trust, or you're the heir of the settlor. The settlor has died, you've made a written demand of the trustee to provide you with a copy of the terms of the trust. But the trustee either doesn't respond to you or they just simply refuse. What do? You have your attorney file a petition with the probate court to order the trustee to provide you with a copy of the terms of the trust. If you'd like more information about California's trust litigation process, then please click the link below.